So what do you understand by the word polygons?
Like, isn't that like a shape that has more than like 8 sides or 9 sides? I mean,
What is the minimum number of sides that a polygon can have?
not 9.
9? It cannot
Yeah,
have less than 9?
or 10.
No, I'm saying minimum number of sides.
Oh, then
Minimum
probably 8 then.
8. It cannot have less than 8?
I don't really know.
Okay, see. First of all, let's understand what is a polygon. We will break it into 2 words. Polygons is made up of 2 words. Poly plus gon. Okay? Poly means many. You would have heard of the word polynomial, right?
Oh
So
yeah.
yeah, so even there, the word poly means many. And the word gon means angles. At some places, I have seen gon means angles. And at some places, I have also seen that gon means sides. So your polygon is, what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure made up of many sides or angles. Okay, so it is a closed figure made up of, we say it is made up of line segments. Okay, now I'm going to draw something and you tell me whether this is a polygon. Okay, Megan, can you tell me if this is a polygon?
No, it's not a polygon.
Okay, why not?
Because it's open.
It's open, it's not closed. Okay, so the first condition is that it has to be closed. It is a closed figure. So this is not a polygon. Okay, now can you tell me if this shape is a polygon?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Because it's closed? But you did not read the entire thing. It says closed figure made up of line segments.
Oh, yeah. Don't you have to be able to make like triangles in it to be able to tell if it's one or not?
Yes, we'll come to that. But right now, although this is closed, but this is not made up of line segments. So that's why this is also not a polygon. Okay, Megan, now I will again ask the same question that I asked previously. What is the minimum number of lines that you need to draw a polygon? You said 8 previously. How many minimum number of line segments do you need to make a closed figure?
3.
3. Very good. So triangle, and if you have 3 line segments, what do you get? You get a triangle, right? So triangle is a polygon. Okay, it's a polygon with 3 line segments. Now this has 3 line segments. If you take 4 line segments, then what do you get?
That's quadrilateral.
That's a quadrilateral. Perfect. Okay, so this is triangle, a quadrilateral. Similarly, if we continue, if we keep increasing the number of line segments, then what do you know the names of the next polygons?
A pentagon.
Pentagon, exactly. And you know why have you been to the Pentagon in the US?
Oh yeah, isn't it like 5 stories high or 5 like buildings in it?
It has something related to 5, even I'm not sure. So a pentagon will be a polygon with 5 sides. Pent stands for 5. Okay, so after pentagon, you have hexagon. Then heptagon, octagon,
nonagon,
nonagon, and decagon. Okay, that's one thing. So you know what is a polygon, right? It has to be a closed figure and it has to be made up of line segments. Next, you need to understand the difference between a regular polygon and an irregular polygon. After that, we will do the difference between concave and convex polygon. First, Let's understand the difference between a regular polygon and irregular polygon. Okay, so Megan, first I took the exam. So the smallest polygon is a triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to draw two triangles. You try to tell me if you can see any difference in these two excuse me. Okay. This is one triangle, and this is another triangle. Do you see any difference in these two triangles?
The regular polygon is like a bigger triangle than the irregular one.
Bigger?
Oh,
Okay.
two sides. Oh wait, no, that's for both of them.
Okay. Now, how about now? I have given these markings in the regular polygon, but no markings in the irregular polygon.
Is the regular polygon an equilateral triangle?
It is, yes. Okay. But then now, regular polygons are those polygons in which all the sides will be same. Okay? They will be congruent. They will have the same length. Okay? And that's true for all the polygons. Now, if I have to draw, so this is called a regular triangle, and you can also call it equilateral triangle. Now, next, for quadrilateral, it will be a square. Okay? So this is a regular quadrilateral, but if I have to draw an irregular quadrilateral, it will be very weird. Right? Okay. Not just the sides, Megan, but also all the angles are congruent. Okay. So this angle, you already know that in an equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degrees. Right? 60 degrees, 60 degrees. In a square, all angles are 90 degrees. Now that's true for all the polygons, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Now, next, if I draw a pentagon, a regular pentagon. Okay, let's draw a regular pentagon. We have to just take equal sides. I'll try my best. This kind of looks like it has equal sides. So I'll draw these markings. That means this is a regular pentagon. Can you tell me what will be the measure of each angle of a pentagon?
Is it, wait, is it 45?
No, it's not 45. Don't worry, we will do this later. How to find out the measure of each angle of a polygon. Interior angles, I mean. Okay. You understood the difference between regular and irregular polygon, Megan?